Good afternoon and welcome to the 1 p.m. news bulletin. It starts around County 001 Mombasa County, where it is facing a severe environmental crisis that's worsening by the day. Excess litter and garbage are overwhelming the city's footpaths, posing a significant threat to the public health, the fragile ecosystem, and the local tourism industry. The streets are a mess, with litter-filled alleys, overflowing trash bins, and plastic waste clogging the storm drains. Narrow streets, once bustling with vibrant activity and lined with historic Swahili architecture, are now choked with waste, making it difficult for pedestrians to navigate and creating breeding grounds for the disease-carrying pests. Residents, however, are frustrated and deeply concerned about the impact of their livelihoods. It's really bad. They can't even walk properly without stepping on trash. It's really embarrassing for our city and it's affecting the businesses around the city. Tourists are staying away and it's hurting the economy of the local residents. The situation is dire, with piles of garbage accumulating in plain sight and the stench of rotten waste filling the air. The city council has been urged to take immediate and drastic action, but progress is painfully slow. Meanwhile, the litter continues to harm marine life, contaminate the food chain, and threaten the Indian Ocean's biodiversity. They need to take responsibility for the actions. Proper waste management is key to saving the environment. The consequences of inaction are clear and the time for change is now. Mombasa needs a comprehensive and sustainable solution in this crisis. Residents are demanding action and urging everyone to take responsibility for keeping their city clean. It's time for the authorities to listen and act. In Mombasa, Mike Malay, BBJ TV.